Hello,
Hello,
Olivia.
Olivia. Hey, go on.
Hello everyone.
Good afternoon, good morning, everyone.
Good
Hello.
morning.
Yes.
Smile, please can you help me with the slide?
Okay, okay. Hello, can someone see my screen, please?
Yes.
Yeah, we're seeing it.
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to GDSC info session. I'm Olivia Godwin and I'll be the event facilitator this morning. So
Go on,
this
Olivia.
this is an introductory session to what GDSC, that's Google Development Students Club, is all about. We learn what it all entails and what we gain by joining the community here. And we also get to meet the Google team behind the scenes and the GDSC members at FULafia team. So we'll be having two speakers at this event this morning. The first speaker will be our present lead, which is Ismail Umar, and our second speaker will be our ex-lead, which is Priest Umbagadu. So moving ahead, we're going to invite Ismail to tell us a little about what GDS is all about.
Recognize
Ismail.
the processes and the standards required to achieve the outcome that you want.
Okay,
Know that
thank
thing is
you,
possible,
Olivia.
but recognize the work that it entails.
So my name is
With that, I've come to the end of
Ismaila, and I will be speaking with you this morning uh, on all about what GDSC is. So we are starting with the origin of GDSC. Please, can someone hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Oh, okay, thank you. So GDSC means Google Developer Student Clubs. Uh, the year 2017. Then the letter spread to Indonesia, Asia, Australia, then Europe, and it later spread to America in the year 2018. And then it was founded in the sub-Saharan Africa in the year 2018. And then gladly it was founded in FULafia, that's in our school in the year 2019. So GDSC basically is not only mainly for in Federal University of Latvia. You understand? It is global. The clubs are globally. It's founded. You understand? It is everywhere in the globe, both of the continent. Like so far, we have over 1,500 clubs worldwide, including the Africa, the Asia, and the other continents. So when GDSC came to sub-Saharan Africa, in Nigeria precisely, these are the first lead. These are the first GDSC leads that we have in Nigeria. So this was the first meetup event that held in Lagos in 2018. Okay, then about us, what you need to know about the GDSC. So basically, Global Developers Group GDSC are community groups for colleges and universities. It's basically a community for students that are passionate about technology. Most importantly, Google technologies. So students from undergraduate or graduate programs are interested in growing as a developer. Meanwhile, it's not mainly for undergraduate. You understand? Even graduate can join, and it's not mainly for maybe for a tech guys. You understand? So basically, everyone can join the community, irrespective of your department. You understand? Like I think once I answer a question, one guy asked me, can someone from DMA, Theater Media, join the community? Since this community is for tech, is a tech community. So wow, this community, everyone can join. Basically, irrespective, despite you have the passion about technology, then you are welcome in this community. So by joining the GDSC community, you will meet other students on campus interested in developer technologies, including those with a vast background and those from a variety of companies and industries. You'll get to learn about a wide range of technical topics where you can gain new skills through hands-on workshops and in-person training. And you will be able to apply your new learnings and connection to the great product, advance your skills, career, and networks, and then give back to your community by helping others learn as well. As you learn, you help others learn. So our goal is to create impact, then impact students and empower them to impact their communities through technology. Basically, this is our number one goal. So our activities, the activities we'll be doing, we have solution challenge, hands-on workshops, expert tech talks, study jams, boot camps.
Beautiful.
So
those of you, I don't know
as
how
we
many
go
of
on,
you
I
are
will
in
be
marketing,
explaining
but
this
the marketing will
and
say for every 10, get one person. For every 10 people you market, you get one person.
so event we are going
Business
to
school
be
teaches us that.
doing,
So if you want to get
they
40 people,
include
how many
study
people
jams
do we need to
that
talk to?
I displayed to you guys on the previous slide. So study jams, this where we'll be organizing an event that will be like teaching you guys. You guys will be learning new skills. Maybe if you have these skills, you can add up in your skills. You understand, and many more. It includes that's in the study jams. It includes web development, mobile app development, uh, Google Cloud, machine learning, data science. We'll also be having the hackathon, building projects, you understand, and rest.
Okay, thank you so much, Ismail. Now I'll call on Chris to come and give us his own presentation. Okay, Chris, are you here?
Sorry, please. Yes, I just admit him into the call. Basically, it wasn't in the call. Welcome, please.
You're welcome.
Hi, Priska. Are you here?
Sorry, am I to present?
Yes, Sam.
Okay, I don't know if you can see my screen now.
Yes.
Sure, I can see your screen.
Okay, thank you for this opportunity. Ismail and the country members. And good morning, everyone on the call. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Right, okay, so let's look at it this way. You've been hearing about the Global Students Club, and all of a sudden the name has been ringing, and you've been wondering what is the club all about? What do I stand to gain if I join the club? Well, I'll be letting you to know why you need to join PRC and what it stands to gain.
Hello, please, Grace, can you mute yourself? Your background noise.
Okay, right, so you'll be knowing why you need to join PRC and what you stand to lose if you decided to walk away. Now, basically, GDSC helps you make a transition from knowing/having an idea about tech to practicing tech and eventually helping those coming after you. Right, so let's look at how does this help you achieve this. But eventually, you might just be thinking about technology. You've been hearing, maybe some of us might have heard, there's something called programming, there's something called machine learning, there's something called AI, there's something called, like you just confused, you don't even know what's the difference between them, and it just looks like this my friend on my slide, whose head is filled with a lot of things and he doesn't even know what they are. Now this is what GDSC does. It removes all the complexities for you and help you to get started from your little computer, from the small laptop you have. You start practicing tech.
Now?
And not only do you practice tech, but eventually you move on to help your progeny. I mean, you can go on to become a speaker. You can go on to become someone that helps others grow. Definitely sure these are the three things that happen when you join GDRC. The number one thing is connection. You build a strong connection, and this connection, you meet people just starting out in their tech journey. I remember in 2017, when we had this wasn't GDSC per se, it was GDG. That was what this thing ignited my interest in tech. That was when we had an event, and our daddy, that's our MS, was the one that presented. That was one thing that ignited my interest in tech. So you meet different people that are just starting out like you. So you are not alone. There are many like you, and many were like you who were just starting some years back. And you also get to meet experts, the one who share their knowledge. You meet people that have gone ahead of you, like the community leads, the call team members. Some are actually very excellent developers. Some are very good at their tech stack, and they are here willing to share their knowledge with you to remove all the complexities that you might be, all the abstract complexity. Let me not say complexity, but they are abstract that you might be facing. And you also tend to meet individuals that are looking for cooperation. You don't only learn here, but importantly, you get to meet people that have ideas that they want to build, but they don't have the skills. So the thing is, it's not that you must just be a techie. You might be in here. Someone might have an idea, but he's not a techist, and he knows how to present the idea. And you hear good at techies, it's an opportunity for you to connect with such a person to build product. So come on board, even if you're not into the tech aspect, even if you're not into programming, come aboard. GDRC is not just all about you writing code. Of course, there are people that write, there are people that organize this event, and it actually helps you. And then we look at diversity. It's not meant for computer science students only. Sorry, you can be studying social work, you are welcome. You can be studying Christian religious studies, Islamic religious studies, like name it. You can be studying biology, you are welcome. Like, we've had stories of people whom what they study in school it has nothing to do with tech, but today they are good. But today they are recognized in the tech world. Like our regional program manager, I forgot. I know he studied something around the health that's on the Google Developer Students Clubs and this web page, I saw that we have about 1,908 GDSC across the world, right? So you are not alone. Right now, there are people across the world, sub-Saharan Africa, Asia, and other parts of the globe who are in GDC. Many are just starting out. Many might have gone a bit far. Many might be experts in their tech stack. So you are not alone. And the second thing that is important is definitely sure you shouldn't just connect, of course. You're here for a purpose. You need to build up yourself. And GDRC is an opportunity for you to learn. Right? You learn technical skills that will never be taught in the classroom. Right? You get to learn about latest Google technologies, latest developer tools, and how to use them. Like we have a lot of events that you get to meet, and we have hands-on workshops. So on subsequent, there will be workshops that will guide you on various tech stacks, depending on web development, mobile, or what of you. You're gonna have a lot of events, just as you're having one now, and there'll be more to come. And there'll be a lot of talks, of course. So if you someone who likes to talk, person, you have something good to talk, maybe you communicate with the lead. He knows how to fix you in, and you got to learn by building project. You know, the best way to learn is by building projects, and that idea that has been logging within you, and you want to build it yourself. This is an opportunity for you to learn a stack that will help you to learn something that's gonna help you build that project and get it to your target customer's hand. And then there's mentorship. I'm not guaranteeing you this, but you have a lot of guides. We have the community. GDSC has a lot of resources for learners. So there's a lot of resources, very rich content. I call them priceless resources. And why I call them priceless resources is because some of them, I think you can't access them anywhere. And some kind of resources here, it's gonna be very hard for you to even purchase them. And you get people that have been in the tech field for years coming to share their knowledge with you. It's actually a privilege. Like, it's a privilege for you to meet such persons. And these are just few things you can learn. There is Android, there's Google Cloud. These are just few of Google technology, Google Analytics. You might have been hearing the name Flutter, and the rest might, and of course there's web development. You might be hearing the names and you don't know what they are. Don't worry. In GDRC, this is an opportunity for you to know what they mean and which one is right for you. And also, importantly, we would like to see you grow. Google Developer Students Club is not a place for you to just come and remain where you are. It's a place that when you come, we're expecting that in the next 1 year, 2 years, you shouldn't be where you are now. If you are just starting out with HTML, at least in the next 1 year, you should be able to design a responsive website, a beautiful responsive website. You shouldn't just be stuck at HTML. And if you're just someone that has been hearing all the tech words and they look so complex and abstract to you, we're expecting that at least in the next year, you should be someone that can share with others, and we get to build solutions for problems in your community and the world. Of course, you've heard of the Global Solution Challenge. Now, you can look around your community. Using what you've learned in GDSC, it's an opportunity for you to build in your community and earn recognition for yourself. And also, we expect you to be able to build a strong network for yourself. Don't just go about dulling GDSC. No, there are people ready to connect with you. There are people ready to link you up, right? So just learn, and as you learn, try to grow so you can build up your connection. And they say your network is your network. Well, that's a thought for another day, but this is an opportunity for you to have good people around you. GDSC is a place to be, and it's a place you can meet people around the world who are gonna vouch for you in the future. And then career advancement, of course, we want you to grow in your career. So whether you're joining GDRC because you are imagining yourself being a therapist in the future, or you are joining GDRC because you just want to have an idea so that eventually you might become a business owner in your place of work in the future, the nearest future, it can help you not only in your career but also in your studies. Like for the mathematics students in our midst, joining GDRC is an opportunity for you to learn some programming language that can help you in some of your mathematical problems like numerical analysis. And then, importantly, we don't just want it to grow. GDRC will help you to grow. And apart from GDRC helping you to grow, it's also required of you that as you grow, you help others to grow. this morning on why you should join GDSC. And as you can see for yourself, there are a lot of things you stand to gain. And in subsequent times, you yourself can stand with testify of it. So I advise you to join GDSC and grab the good you can grab. Once again, thank you for listening. And I remain my humble self as you can see on my screen. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Chris.
So,
Thank you so much. Ismail, over to you.
Thank you, Priest.
Wow,
Thanks.
wow, wow.
You're welcome.
So wonderful. Wonderful. So thank you very much, please. Thank you for accepting our invitation and thank you for having you here. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. So I continue. Can you see my screen, please?
Yes.
Okay,
Right.
okay. This is what I said. I will be explaining in the subsequent subsequent speaking. But fortunate, priests have talked about all these in a short time. Thank you so much, priest. Even though there's one thing that he has forgotten to maybe like explain, which is a solution challenge. So solution challenge basically is one of the GDSC activity, the main activity. So this an annual a challenge whereby the GDSC members, you understand, globally they come together in order to build a solutions for the local environment. That is, this happens basically at times. That is after we have learned a lot of things. We do a lot of workshops, a lot of study jams. Then at the end, then we come together in order to build solution for our local community. So last year, solution challenge happens to be it focus on the TK, can you remember me, please? It focused on this sorry, this
World Health Organization, I say World Health, Social Development Goal, SDG.
yes, yes, yes. So as the same thing this year. So hopefully, after we have a lot of study jams, the workshops, so at the end we will be developing solutions. So not only these annual solutions in our local environment, you understand, we'll be developing solutions for it. Like I remember during the first time the GDSC came to FULafia, to now, like we have developed a lot of solutions to our universities. Like one of the solutions we have developed is the NACOS website, and then I think the recent development, the solution we developed now is an application. It's called FULafia Guide. It has everything about FULafia. You understand? Even a map, it happens to be embedded inside, integrate inside the application, whereby it will be directing you where to go. This social department, this social faculty. You understand? And then, so this is something that we'll be doing along the time. Understand? As we are moving. So this is about the solution challenge.
Can I ask a question?
We are coming for question section, please.
Okay.
Thank you. So now we are to meet the GDSC team behind the scenes. So that is not that make up GDSC. So we have Erica Hansen. She's the GDSC Global Lead. So meanwhile she leads GDSC globally. You know, we have lead in each chapters. Each universities, each colleges, they are lead. But Erika Hansen is the lead for GDSC globally. Then we have Anidi Udobong. He is the regional lead for GDSC Sub-Saharan Africa. So Erika is the global lead. So this is the regional lead for Sub-Saharan, this entire Sub-Saharan Africa. So this is the GDSC lead. Then we meet Awal MS is the program manager for GDSC Sub-Saharan Africa. Then Tasiu Kwablon, it happens is in the call. He is the ex-lead for GDSC FULafia 2019. It happens that during his time, he's the one that brought he brought GDSC into FULafia. Thank you so much, TK. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity, please. Then we have Pris. So Pris is the ex-lead also for FULafia 2020. So like I think it's 3 years now, GDS has been existing in FULafia since 2019, 2020, then 2021. TK happens to be the first lead, followed by Priest, then followed by me. So I'm the current GDSC lead of Federal University of Latvia. Then you get to meet my co-team members. Anthony happens to be my colleague. He'll be assisting me in a lot of the activities. Then we have Rafael Eze, is the technical team lead. Anything that is technically Rafael Eze lead it, handle it. Then we have Olivia Godwin. She is the non-technical team lead. She leads everything that is non-technical in the team. Things like maybe like event management, the project management, the content management. Even for the event management is when it happens to be physically. You understand? Then we have Abdul Mumin Umar. He is our graphic designer, a math designer, and also a content management lead. He designs anything graphic for GDSC. He also leads a content management. He writes our content, he manages our content as well. Then we have Mohammed Ibrahim. He is the publicity team lead. Then we have Messi. This is the name that always give me headache to pronounce it. Amefule, I'm asking her for many times. So amazing Messi. Indeed, she's really amazing. So she leads our resource management. So during our study jams, the workshops, all our resources, like in terms of getting the resources for the student to learn, she's leading that. She leads us to get a lot of resources. Then we have Victor Jonas. He manages our social media, and also he leads he markets GDSC in the community. Then we have Ternebat, which happens to be our project management lead. Then we have Ogule Helene. She's our event management lead. She manages our events. Understand? She's a wonderful event manager indeed. So our partners, NACOS, Nigerian Association of Computing Students, they are one of our partners, indeed our fourth partner that always give us support when it comes to our activities in the school, you understand? And in fact, anyway. So when I say NACOS, I don't mean like NACOS National, you understand? Sorry. So this NACOS, Federal University of Latvia. Then we also have GDG Latvia Google Developers Group. So this is a group as well. It's like GDSC, you understand? But this happens they based in the cities, you you understand, local communities, while GDSC they're based in schools. So I think that's just the little difference about the GDG and GDSC. But they are all Google communities. So GDG FULafia happens to be our partner as well. So I think TK is one of the GDG organizer. So I think that's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you for having your time this morning. If you like wish to contact us, this is a website you can contact us. Like is our event this thing website where we manage our event. Like even before you become our member, a recognized GDSC member, you must register in our website. That is the first link. You must be registered there before you be recognized as our member. Then our WhatsApp platform. Like so far we manage only 3 platforms: our website, then WhatsApp, and then Twitter. But hopefully in the subsequently we'll be moving in the other platforms. Then this is our email. If you wish to email us, send us mail, you understand, regarding everything. Then this is the phone number. If you wish to contact us, you understand, we'll be always there for you. So over to you, Olivia, please.
Thank you so much, Ismail. Thank you, Ismail and Chris, for your wonderful presentation. Enerjo, are you here?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Over to you, please.
So this is session for question and answer. I think is it Enerjo? One of president maybe he wanted to ask me question when I'm presenting. Like unfortunately, we'll have a special session for question and answer. But you can ask your questions now, and whoever want to ask question should ask as well.
All right. Sorry, I almost interrupted while you were giving your speech. So my question was, it came up immediately because of what we were talking about. Then I didn't want it to escape my head. It's about the solution. How did you call it? When you were talking about
challenge. Yes.
The solution challenge when you were talking about. So I didn't really get it. How did you say DSC is working on such, or I didn't really get what you said about it. I was kind of distracted actually.
About
the solution challenge.
Yes.
About software concerning that you said it will have a map included in it and all that.
Yes, sir. So basically, what the solution GDSC working on currently, like I think they are about to finish it, is a mobile application, Android application. You understand? It called FULafia Guide. It contains all the information about FULafia, everything, all the buildings, you understand, are there. So there is also a map integrated inside, embedded inside the application. You get, so whereby it will be like, you know how Google Map is. Basically, it's a Google Map that is integrated inside. You understand?
Okay.
So yes, both of the every location in FULafia, you understand, is happens to be embedded inside. You understand? So it will make it easier for new students, that's freshers, you understand, to navigate everywhere around schools, around school, Federal University of FULafia. You understand?
Yeah, you did. Thank you.
So any other question, please?
Okay, sorry. This app now, like, it sounds very, very amazing. It will come very, very handy to FULafia students, and especially NACOS, you know. Anything that will add beauty to NACOS is our catch.
Yes, I think it is now 90%.
Wow, wonderful.
Yes, 90%, you understand, to accomplish. Basically, it's supposed to be finished, but due be some updates, you understand, that need to be happens in the app. That is why, you understand. But hopefully, I will be communicating with the developers, you understand, in charge of developing the software, you understand, to see how fast we can finish it, you understand, deploy it, and then publish it, and see what to do next with the app.
Awesome, awesome.
Okay, thank you, teacher. I think I can see he dropped the version 1 of the application link, you understand. It's even in Google Play, you understand. So happens to be the uploaded it in.
So it's already on Google Play Store.
Yeah. So the version 1, we started working on it, you understand. So it's a continuous process, you understand. So we have launched it on Google Play Store already. Then Ismail and his team are going to be working on the version 2, which is going to carry more features. So
Okay.
yeah. So I don't know if there is no question, we can just take maybe a picture, right? Everybody should just open their video. Well, I don't know.
One, you get.
Yeah, okay.
So that. Hello, can you hear me?
But if your video started smiling, we not to see your fine face since now.
I open your video, so I'm going to take picture now. By the way, today is not Saturday. We don't go wedding like this. All right. So we're still having some people. Hassan, yeah, even here. Smile.
Anthony, no, you.
Smile, what are you hiding? Okay.
Anthony. Annie, not for you fast.
Leave on, I ain't go.
Oh, man.
Slim T, they wait for him for FULafia.
Oh, man. Is that you?
Alright, so that would be in 3, 2, 1. Alright, done. So I'll be sharing the picture with Ismail. Understand? So by the way, if you register on the links I shared, there's links to both the
Sorry,
Twitter
guys,
and this, and I'll be sending the picture and the video, recorded video, to you guys.
Alright.
Yeah, so that's over from me. That's all from me.
So thank you very much. Thank you, TK, for having me. Thank you for the recording. Thank you for this map.
Thank you, please. Thank you, Ismail. Thank you, everyone, for coming.
Thank you, Manuel.
Thank you, Anthony.
Alright, bye guys.
Olivia, thank you. Bye-bye.